Welcome back to another video. Today I will teach you how to download Instagram on Android. So let's get started. First of all, we should understand that what is the use of Instagram. Instagram is a social media app that will use the different users to interact with each other, and you can also find the different reels on different topics on Instagram. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store. Now you click on search and you have to search Instagram. As you can see that the app has been opened in front of you with over 5 billion downloads. Instagram is growing. I have already downloaded it in my phone, but when you will download it you will see install button. You have to just click on install and your Instagram will be installed. So that was the complete process, and if you want to know the process of making your account on Instagram, you should follow our channel and watch the other videos. That will be very helpful to grow your Instagram and your profile look like a professional one. So just keep following the same steps and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.